Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm super excited to share an amazing journey I embarked on last month, how I made $1,000 in just 1 month with side hustles. If you've ever been curious about what side hustles actually work and how to get started, stick around because I'm spilling all my secrets. So, here's the deal. Life can get pretty expensive, right? I was looking for ways to boost my income without completely sacrificing my free time. That's when I decided to dive into the world of side hustles. Trust me, it can be a game changer. I set myself a goal of making $1,000 in a month. It felt ambitious, but I was ready for the challenge. But before I jumped in headfirst, I did my homework. I knew I wanted to focus on side hustles that matched my skills, so I thought about what I enjoyed doing. I had some graphic design experience and a knack for social media. After researching online, I decided on 3 main hustles that I believed could actually yield results: freelance design work, affiliate marketing, and virtual assistant services. First up, freelance design work. I dusted off my Adobe Creative Suite, created a profile on Fiverr, and listed my graphic design services. Within days, I started getting inquiries. I worked on everything from social media graphics to logos for small businesses. The best part? I was able to set my own hours. By the end of the month, this hustle alone brought in about $400. Next, I ventured into affiliate marketing. I signed up for a few affiliate programs in niches that I was already interested in, like tech and fitness. I started sharing product reviews and recommendations on my social media platforms and my blog. Every time someone made a purchase through my link, I earned a commission. It took some time to get going, but once I hit my stride, I made around $300. Not too shabby for a little extra effort, right? Lastly, I leaned into being a virtual assistant. I joined platforms like Upwork and started offering small tasks, like managing emails, social media accounts, and scheduling. For a few hours of work each week, I racked up about $400. The flexibility was fantastic, and I loved helping busy entrepreneurs with their tasks. By the end of the month, I was thrilled. I hit my goal of $1,000, but more importantly, I learned so much about time management, networking, and the power of hustle. Here are a few quick tips if you want to start your side hustle journey. 1. Choose what you love. Pick something that excites you. 2. Set clear goals. It's easier to stay motivated when you know what you're aiming for. 3. Stay consistent. Dedicate a few hours each week to your hustle. 4. Network. Connect with others in your field. Collaboration opens up so many doors. So, that's it. I hope my journey inspires you to take the plunge into side hustles and start making some extra money. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and hit that subscribe button for more tips on financial freedom. Let's hustle together. Catch you in the next one.